In 2026, the F-35 Lightning II continues to dominate the skies as one of the most advanced multi-role fighter jets on the planet. With nearly 2 decades of development and over a decade of active service, the F-35 has evolved into a key strategic asset for NATO and allied forces. Built by Lockheed Martin, this 5th-generation stealth fighter is no longer the future of air combat. It is the present. Originally conceived in the early 2000s under the Joint Strike Fighter program, the F-35 was designed to replace a range of aircraft, from the F-16 Fighting Falcon to the AV-8B Harrier and even the A-10 Warthog. What makes the F-35 unique in 2026 is how adaptable it's become. There are 3 main variants: the F-35A for conventional takeoff and landing, the F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing capability, and the F-35C, designed for carrier operations. All 3 are now widely deployed in over a dozen countries, including the US, the UK, Italy, Japan, and Australia. By 2026, the F-35 program has surpassed 1,200 aircraft delivered, with upgrades being rolled out through Block for software and hardware updates. These upgrades have significantly expanded the jet's sensor fusion, electronic warfare capabilities, and weapon systems. One of the key upgrades is the integration of advanced air-to-air missiles like the AIM-260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, giving the F-35 a longer reach in combat. What sets the F-35 apart isn't just its speed or weapons, it's the brain inside. The jet's powerful sensor suite, including the distributed aperture system and the active electronically scanned array radar, gives pilots a 360-degree view of the battle space. Combine that with sensor fusion and secure data link capabilities, and the F-35 acts more like an airborne command center than just a fighter jet. Pilots often say that flying the F-35 feels more like managing an ecosystem than simply flying a plane. Another game changer is the stealth profile. The F-35's radar cross-section is extremely low, especially from the front, allowing it to penetrate defended airspace without being easily detected. In modern combat simulations, it has consistently outperformed older 4th-gen aircraft, often destroying enemies before they even know they're being tracked. In 2026, we're also seeing how the F-35 fits into a larger ecosystem of manned-to-manned teaming. The U.S. Air Force and Navy are already testing integration between the F-35 and autonomous drones, such as the Loyal Wingman and the XQ-58 Valkyrie. These drones extend the reach of the F-35, acting as scouts, decoys, or even weapons platforms, enabling F-35 pilots to project power without putting themselves directly in harm's way. Of course, the program hasn't been without criticism. The F-35's cost per unit remains high, though. It has steadily decreased to under $80 million per aircraft for the F-35A. And while reliability rates have improved, maintenance and logistics remain complex, especially in deployed environments. However, most partner nations agree that the strategic value of the F-35 far outweighs its cost. Looking ahead, the F-35 isn't going anywhere. With service life expected to extend into the 2070s, future variants may include even more AI integration, better engine performance through the Adaptive Engine Transition Program, and tighter coordination with 6th-generation fighter platforms currently in development under programs like in GAD and Tempest. The F-35 is more than just a jet. It's a flying sensor hub, a stealthy strike platform, and a crucial piece in the evolving puzzle of modern air dominance. As the world's geopolitical tensions continue to shift, the F-35's versatility and advanced capabilities ensure that it remains at the cutting edge of aerial warfare in 2026 and beyond.